Okay guys, so today we have a very special video for you today. Today we have finally got the iPhone 11 and we're going to be unboxing it.
Tell me, baby, what have I done?
Okay, so the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro came out in September and everyone else has got it before me, but we finally got it in here and we're going to be unboxing it. So the iPhone 11 has an A13 Bionic chip and also has a new dual camera like that, and the Pro has a triple camera obviously. Apple have gone back to different coloured boxes, so we opted for the red coloured iPhone, so we got the red coloured box. There it is, looking really good. So it's got a shiny design. The Apple logo is now moved up into the middle and we've got less writing down here, but if you're in Europe then you have that two logos just there, and of course with the product red you get the product red logo right there. Okay, so the iPhone 11 also doesn't have any the iPhone 11 also doesn't have any wrapping on the back anymore, so now only has it on the front. While we start that up, let's look at the stickers. So I wonder if we got red Apple stickers. All the information, and no red Apple stickers, just normal ones. So with the iPhone 11 you actually only get a 5-watt plug, unlike the Pro where you get an 18-watt fast charger to charge your phone from 0 to 50% in half an hour. So that's the plug. We don't get any special headphones, just the usual Apple earplugs and a Lightning to USB cable. With the Pro you get Lightning to USB Type-C cable to plug into your fast charger. So that's it for the unboxing. By the time you see this video, I've been using the iPhone 11 for a few days, but not long enough to review it yet, so I want to take a really good time to look at the phone, see what I like, see what I don't like, and I'll bring the review to you just before Christmas, so I'll see you then. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.